Greetings to all. I am Dr. Elvina Mary, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics, Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. Today we will discuss about cryptography. In this module, let us see what is cryptography, encryption, decryption, examples and types of keys. First, let us see what is cryptography. Cryptography is the practice and study of techniques used to secure communication and information. It involves creating mathematical algorithms for encoding and decoding data, ensuring that only those intended to view or modify the information can do so. Let us see the four objectives of cryptography. It keeps our data secure, non-repetition, integrity, and authenticity. The fundamental process of cryptography is to secure data transmission and storage, which are done under two processes, encryption and decryption. First, let us see what is encryption. Encryption involves converting plain readable data, which we call it as plain text, into an unreadable format, which is the ciphertext, using an algorithm and a key. So the plain text is converted to ciphertext. Next, we will see what is decryption. Decryption is the process of converting ciphertext into plain text, restoring the original readable data. Decryption requires the use of the current decryption algorithm and key. So here, the ciphertext, which is the unreadable data, is converted to the plain text, which is the readable data. Now let us study these two concepts using this example. Here the key is every letter should be converted with second successive letter. That is, A should be converted to C, B to D, and C to E, and so on. So let me first take the plain text India. I am going to encrypt it using the above key. So I is taken as K, N is taken as P, D is taken as F, I is taken as K, and A is taken as C. Now the plain text India is converted to the ciphertext KPFKC. Now let us decrypt the given ciphertext KPFKC. So here the plain text is India, INDIA. So the ciphertext is decrypted using the above key as the plain text India. So this is an example for encryption and decryption. Let us see the types of keys. These two keys are very important in cryptography. The first one is symmetric key, the second one is asymmetric key. First, let us see what is symmetric key. Symmetric key encryption are algorithms which use the same cryptographic keys for both encryption of plain text and decryption of ciphertext. That is, here only one key is used for encryption and decryption. Asymmetric key is nothing but here we use two pairs of keys. The public key is available to everyone, while the secret key is only made available to the receiver of this message. This acts as an additional security and it is more flexible compared to symmetric key. So, in this video, we have seen what is cryptography, encryption, decryption, examples and types of keys. Thank you for your patient listening. Meet you in the next module. Thank you.